So if you're trying to add the add-ons on Stremio, so here's how you're going to do it. So firstly, launch Stremio and log into your Stremio account. So once you're here on your account now, so if you want to add in your add-ons, go to the add-on section, which is on the left side menu here. You will see this little add-on icon there. So click on it and go to your add-on section. And once you're on this add-on section here you will see all your installed add-ons. So these are the add-ons that's been by default been installed. But if you're looking for something else, then what you're going to do, you're going to go and click on this option here on your top left here under the install. Next to it is a little arrow. Click on it and then select community add-ons. So this is where you will find other various add-ons which you can simply browse through. If you are just, you can simply browse through it, or if you're searching for any particular one, you can search it under here, the search bar here on your top right there. Can do that. And once you want to add these add-on, all you have to do is simply hit on this install option. So if you want to, like for example, like add this comment add-on here, all you have to do is hit on install and then install it. And once you have installed it, this will be added to your Stremio, and that's how you add the add-ons.